Climate, I think, is definitely a topic. The the walk. I'll just say a little bit about that. Because one of the reasons for going over to the Tech Exeter breakfast from a radio show is to make the point that it's not that far away. The 15-minute city came up as an idea during the debate about traffic and cycling and so forth. From a negative point of view, it was supposed to be one of the weird ideas that was behind woke thinking or something like that. But I thought actually the 15-minute city was quite a good idea in various ways, and you can have a 15-minute village in the middle of a city. That's to say, there's spots that can be connected just by walking. So I've been trying out a STEAM village. That's to say, art in the context of science, technology, engineering, and maths or medicine. That's where the started out as maths, but I think medicine gets added in as well sometimes. But the thing is that mapping it to BETT, which we have done. Chris Norton from the Wild Show and myself were at BETT, and we're still trying to work out how to relate it into Exeter. But it turns out that send is still being promoted as an idea at BETT. That is special educational needs and disabilities, and that has got a village and a theatre, whereas STEAM has definitely gone. They stopped trying to promote art as part of STEM, but STEM itself has more or less gone. There's no village and there's no theatre. It's still mentioned, the word STEM is still used on a lot of the stands there, but it suggests to me that I should be thinking about a SEND village, a 15-minute SEND village in the middle of Exeter, somewhere between Phonic or the Phoenix and the Tech Exeter breakfast, or round the corner there's 12 Bar cafe, music cafe. That's open more often, and it's more obviously arts connected, and it's next door to Shop Mobility. So that might be, it's more or less the same spot. So I think we'll sort of regard that area as the far point, and something around the Phoenix as another point. And then I think you can do the journey either way within 15 minutes and take in quite a lot of other things as well. And climate, it comes up almost at once, because there's, as you come out of the Phonic going towards the High Street, there's the mural that was unveiled towards the end of last year. And if you're going through Princess Hay, there's the spot where the climate hub was for about a year. It's now gone back to being a shop, fashion shop, but that's near where Access Aerials had a radio. I think they've been there twice. There was a chalet which has gone, but a gallery which is at the moment a library. So I'll see how much of this I can take in within quarter of an hour getting there, quarter of an hour coming back, and about half an hour for a croissant and some coffee. That's the plan of it.